friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anu and I'm so happy to see all of you. Today's video is going to be about this Diwali look that I've created without the use of any kind of a foundation, concealer, no base makeup, just with your hands, just with your fingers, no use of brush. So very easy to do. 15 minutes is going to take you to get this kind of a look. It's a very easy tutorial to get this beautiful, traditional, festive, glam look for all the lovely ladies out there. Now, I know that Diwali is a very big festival for all of us, and we all want to celebrate Diwali and look beautiful in it also. But I know a lot of you, like me, have also got a lot of responsibilities to attend to, like doing the cooking in the morning, taking care of the children, taking care of the house. So at the end of the day, we become so tired that we do not want to get ready. But no, we have to get ready and we have to look beautiful for Diwali, for yourself and for your family. So this is a very easy tutorial that you can do. Just finish your work, do your cooking, take care of the children, get them ready, and 15 minutes, keep everything ready with you, and you are ready to look beautiful for the photograph, look beautiful for your family, for yourself. So let's move ahead and see how to get this Diwali glam, beautiful, traditional look in 15 minutes without the use of brush, concealer or foundation. The first step that you're going to do is choose a attire or a garment that is going to be very bright and vibrant in color, because that is going to enhance your entire look. It's going to reflect onto your face. So choose a bright color that's going to suit your complexion. If you go for a pastel or a dull kind of a color or shade for your clothes, then obviously it's going to tone your entire mood down. You're going to look very subtle. Of course you will look beautiful, but it's going to tone your look down, your festive look down. So choose a bright color, nice red, orange, yellowish, pinkish kind of colors. Red, what there's such variety of red, or a bright blue, green, and that's going to reflect onto your skin. So I have chosen something of this kind, which is got yellow, red in it, a little bit of a sequence kind of a work. And so this is your first step to get the festive look, is to choose your attire of a bright color. Second step, what I'm going to do is, after cleaning my face, is going to use this moisturizer. Okay, so this is from Sugar and it's called Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer. I have chosen the color 03 called Peach Poppin'. So this is a moisturizer that's going to illuminate your skin, because it's got that glossy, that sheer, it's got, I think, little bit of bling kind of a effect. So automatically your skin is going to look very bright, and it's going to look little bit of that festive kind of a complexion to you. So the second step is to choose your base, which is going to be a moisturizer which has got a little bit of a color and a little bit of a sheer tone to it. So I have chosen this. I'm going to apply onto my face as a base is this Born to Glow by NYX Professional Makeup. Okay, and this is just to give it a glow onto my face. It's just going to make me look a bit of a peachy, dewy kind of a look for the base of my face, because I'm not using any concealer, no foundation, and I'm not using brush also, just my fingers. Next, I would just define my face. I would just accentuate my features. So for that, I'm using Mask Contour 3D Balm Stick. Okay, so just a little bit. Okay, just to enhance my features. That's it. Okay. after this, I'll use a little bit of blush onto my cheeks, okay, just to give it a rosy hue kind of a thing. A little bit of nice reddish pinkish thing to your cheeks. So I'm going with the blush from Sugar, and it's called Salmon Superstar. Just my finger. Again, next you're going to use a highlighter because just going to highlight your features, little bit of that bright shine onto your face. So I am using Sugar's Mini Royal Rose, and this is a highlighter. This is number 04 and the name is Royal Rose. And again with my finger, just keep a towel or a kerchief with you, wipe your hands and then use your fingers again. That's it. Okay. I'm going to do my eyebrows with this. Again, I'm using Sugar's 3-in-1 Arch Arrival Brow Definer, and I'm using the color 01 for Jelly Brown. Alright, and this is a 3-in-1 brow shaper. So very quickly I just do my eyebrows. I don't want to really work on it, just want to give it a shape. So just a touch up to my eyebrows. For my eyes also, I'll just take a little bit of the blush because my blush is like a coral kind of a color. Just give my eyelid a hue to it. I'm not going overboard with any of the makeup products, so just this, not even using my eyeshadow, okay? Just this blush of mine, and I just want a little bit of color to my eyes. So this is it with my fingers, no brush, nothing, no layering, nothing, okay? Just this. I like to highlight my brows also. So again, the illuminator comes into use. Just use your finger and just put a little bit of it beneath your brows, alright? That's it. Now the eyes, again, just a little bit of line to my eyes with the Kajal pencil. I'm using K Beauty's Kajal pencil, and it's called Spade in the color black, alright? Just a simple. For my lower eyelid, I'm using again K Beauty's Splendid. It's a brownish kind of a color, okay? Just this. Eyelashes, I'm again going for Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara, okay? Last in my makeup is my lip color. I have chosen a nice red, classic, bright, vibrant, bold, festive color from K Beauty. The lip crayons that they have, they are amazing. I will definitely do a video on the colors that I've got from them. They are amazing colors. So I have chosen this red color from K Beauty lip crayon, and it is called Publicity. Okay, so use a bright lipstick for your lips because you're going very low onto the makeup factor for your face. We are just doing a nice glowy kind of a makeup onto your face and accentuating your features. So the lip, go for a bright bold color, and I've chosen red because it's going to go with my dress, and red is definitely the color for festival and for any kind of a celebration. So this is what it's going to go onto my lips. Finishing it off with the jewelry. So make sure you have your ornaments ready. It should be nice, bright, bold, golden, your pearls or your stones or your gems that you have. Take them out from the locker, take them out from your cupboard and use them, because it's just once or twice in a year that you get to wear them. So make sure that you wear something really festive, something really grand for your jewelry. So I've completed this look of mine with this jewelry set, which is gold based, and it's got green and red stones to it. So very festive, very traditional. And I also put a nice bindi, a nice small stone bindi with my look. I also draped my orni or chunri, okay, to complete my Diwali look. And so there I'm done. It just took me 15 minutes to get ready. So all of you, I know a lot of you like me are busy with the family, cooking and having children, and then you get tired the entire day. You don't feel like, you know, getting ready, but then do get ready because it is Diwali and you must look pretty for yourself because it is the Diwali festive season, right? Even if you're not going out, even if nobody's coming to your house, get ready for yourself, for your family. And so this is it. It's a very easy makeup to looking festive, glam, festive, beautiful. So if you have enjoyed this video of mine, do give in your likes, do give in your comments, and definitely hit the bell button and subscribe to my channel to keep connected with me and to be a part of my journey. And I hope that I see all of you in my next video again. Till that time, have a safe Diwali. No crackers, just light up beautiful diyas and candles for your house. Cook amazing delicious food, traditional food for your family. Get ready, be festive ready, just be happy around and spend time with your family. Till that time, take care of yourself, stay fit, stay beautiful, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.